In today's video, you will discover the real benefits of the age-old superfood, garlic. Let us know in the comments if you've ever tried to utilize its healing powers or if you've been adding it to your meals just for the flavor. Are you using garlic to its full potential, or have you been missing out on its healing properties? Garlic is an affordable superfood that is accessible to everyone. The Greeks, Romans, and even the Egyptians all used it for its potent healing abilities. However, today many of us use it, but not as frequently and often in the wrong way. It's important to understand the mechanisms that activate all the beneficial properties of garlic in order to utilize it and reap all the benefits it can bring. Let's talk about how to activate garlic, what procedures you need to follow to maximize its benefits, and how many cloves of garlic you could eat to maintain good health and avoid side effects. Get ready to explore the 7 unexpected benefits of garlic, and believe me, benefit number 4 will surprise you. Number 1. The healing power of Allicin. Garlic is often considered on par with spices. Yes, we use it, but mostly just to add some flavor to our food. In reality, garlic is a vegetable, and from its plant, one can also eat the leaves and flowers. However, the bulb is the main part, the most flavorful and also the healthiest part. Within the bulb, we find a substance that is extremely beneficial for your health called allicin. Study after study shows that allicin appears to be critical for everyone's health. It fights infections, reduces the risk of cardiovascular issues, lowers bad cholesterol, reduces blood pressure, and even enhances athletes' performance. However, there's a catch. Allicin is an unstable compound, meaning it oxidizes and loses its function within a few minutes. If you simply take a clove of garlic or an onion, you won't find allicin in it. What you will find is allicin, a precursor compound to allicin. To activate allicin, you need to chew, chop, or crush garlic. This action brings allicin into contact with an enzyme called allicin, which then produces allicin. Think of this as garlic's natural defense system. Just as our immune system activates when we're injured, garlic produces allicin when it is damaged to fight off viruses and bacteria. However, it's crucial to note that cooking, boiling, or sautéing garlic will cause it to lose allicin, diminishing its health benefits. So, to get the most out of garlic's natural defenses, consume it in its crushed, chewed, or chopped form. Scientific research consistently supports these facts, providing robust evidence for the numerous health benefits of allicin. 2. Natural remedy for cold. Consuming garlic offers several benefits, one of the most notable being its ability to fight off microorganisms, including bacteria and viruses. Research shows that people who eat garlic daily can reduce their risk of catching a cold by an impressive 63%. What's even more interesting is that if you do happen to catch a cold despite eating garlic, you're in for another benefit. The length of your sickness could be dramatically reduced. Specifically, the number of sick days can drop from an average of 5 days to just 1. So how can you make the most of this natural remedy? It's simple. When you're feeling under the weather, consume 1 or 2 cloves of garlic to significantly reduce the duration of your illness. Impressive, isn't it? Interestingly, when garlic's effectiveness is compared to certain medications like Tylenol for lowering fever, we find that perhaps even these don't have as effective results. Benefit number 3. An effective ally against aging. Garlic's benefits are numerous. That's why it's called a superfood. One key advantage, I must say, is its antioxidant effect. 2 main components in garlic contribute to this: flavonoids and nitric oxide. Flavonoids, in particular, are substances that fight free radicals. These are the same beneficial compounds found in red wine, which has been marketed for years as a daily health booster, primarily due to its resveratrol content, a type of flavonoid. So what exactly are free radicals? They are molecules your body produces over time as waste products of metabolism. These radicals interact with your cells, causing slow degeneration and death. A higher count of free radicals in your body accelerates aging and increases the risk of diseases. Consuming foods rich in flavonoids helps neutralize these free radicals, leading to healthier internal cells. Before we further explore the following health benefits of garlic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to stay updated with our informative content. Number 4. Enhance sexual health in men. Nitric oxide is a molecule that plays a crucial role in health, particularly for men aged 40 to 50, who frequently face issues like erectile dysfunction. A primary cause of this condition is a lack of nitric oxide, which inhibits the arteries and blood vessels from adequately expanding, thereby limiting blood flow to essential areas like the genital region. However, the implications of insufficient nitric oxide extend beyond sexual function. Inadequate blood flow affects all your organs. You might experience cold hands and feet, digestive issues in your stomach and intestines, and even impacts on your nervous system and brain. Short-term effects can include anxiety and depression, while long-term consequences may involve degenerative conditions like Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and dementia. Increasing your intake of nitric oxide enhances your blood vessels' ability to expand, thereby improving oxygen delivery throughout your body. The studies indicate that garlic seems to be a potent method for improving your body's manufacturing process for nitric oxide. By increasing your intake of garlic, you not only boost levels of nitric oxide, but also improve your blood vessels' ability to dilate. This enhances oxygen and nutrient delivery throughout your body, potentially mitigating both short-term and long-term health risks. 5. Garlic reduces bad cholesterol. The next area where garlic excels is in reducing inflammation and lowering LDL cholesterol levels in the body. There are two main types of cholesterol: good cholesterol, AHDL, and bad cholesterol, LDL. A balance between these two is crucial, otherwise LDL cholesterol accumulates in your arteries, forming plaques. This buildup is a significant health concern today and a leading cause of death. Over time, these plaques narrow your blood vessels, increasing the risk of strokes and heart attacks and depriving other parts of your body of oxygen and nutrients. Garlic specifically helps by reducing plaque formation and lowering LDL levels in your blood by 10 to 15%. A reduction in bad fats in your arteries means a lower risk of clot formation, leading to a healthier, longer life. 6. Combat heavy metal poisoning. A significant benefit of garlic is its ability to reduce heavy metal concentrations in the body. This was demonstrated in a specific study involving workers in car battery factories where there is a high risk of heavy metal exposure. These workers were given a daily garlic supplement, which resulted in a 19% reduction in their blood lead levels. It's worth noting that heavy metals aren't solely a concern for factory workers. They can also be found in certain types of large fish and even in some household cleaning products. Therefore, consuming garlic may offer broad benefits, helping you mitigate the risks associated with heavy metal exposure and lead a healthier life. 7. Osteoporosis prevention. Another benefit we'd like to highlight is relevant to both bones and muscles. When it comes to muscles, ancient Greeks and Romans might have already discovered garlic's advantages. During the Olympic Games, Greek athletes consumed garlic, which seemed to boost their performance and dramatically increase endurance, particularly in marathons. Modern studies corroborate these ancient practices, showing that garlic supplements can indeed enhance stamina, enabling athletes to perform strenuous activities more efficiently. As for bones, this topic could interest a large portion of our audience, especially those above 60 or going through menopause. Garlic has a unique interaction with estrogen in women that can reduce the risk of osteoporosis. It functions by elevating specific types of estrogen that facilitate the deposition of calcium salts in bones. It's important to clarify that not all types of estrogen have the same effects. While some forms, if in excess, can contribute to tumor growth, others are beneficial for muscle and bone development. Garlic specifically interacts with the beneficial estrogen receptors, thus reducing a woman's risk of osteoporosis and contributing to overall better health. How to safely incorporate garlic into your diet. As you may have understood, garlic offers many health benefits. However, one crucial point to note is that while garlic's effects can be compared to some medications, it should never replace any doctor-prescribed medication, particularly those for blood pressure or blood thinning. You always consult your healthcare provider before adding garlic to your regimen if you're on such medications, as combining the two could have additive, potentially harmful effects. If you do get the go-ahead from your healthcare provider, you can gradually introduce garlic into your diet. Studies suggest that effective amounts typically range from 2 to 4 cloves per day. But remember, tolerance to garlic varies from person to person. Think about it this way. Just as you wouldn't start off lifting heavy weights if you're new to exercise, you shouldn't dive into consuming 4 or 5 cloves of garlic if you've never tried it before. You might experience digestive discomfort or flatulence initially. If you're new to consuming raw garlic, start with a small amount and gradually work your way up. Over time, your system will adjust, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of garlic without any issues. Why garlic breath shouldn't scare you off. You may be concerned about garlic breath, a notorious issue that has turned away many from enjoying garlic's benefits. However, this aversion to garlic is more cultural than anything. Up until the start of the 21st century, garlic and onions were often associated with poverty. We can correct this cultural misunderstanding by embracing the smell of garlic on our breath and accepting it in others. If you're still concerned, there are solutions. Garlic supplements are available, and we've included a link in the description that will deliver them to your home. Alternatively, you could eat garlic in the evening, allowing the smell to dissipate overnight. So go ahead, embrace garlic's benefits by adding it to your recipes, but always in its raw form. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have something to add, please share it with us in the comments section. Give this video a thumbs up and share the link with your family and best friends so they also know the 7 unexpected benefits of garlic. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to support our growth and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. To gain further insights into naturally healing your body and preventing undesirable illnesses, you may also find some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right now that I believe you'll enjoy. Feel free to click on any of them, or even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. Bye.